Transform your kitchen space. No modern style kitchen cabinet design ideas from me.
Welcome to a world where form meets function in the heart of your home. Discover how modern kitchen cabinet design can elevate your culinary space with style and practicality. Ready to explore innovative ideas that redefine contemporary elegance? Let's dive in. Embrace the beauty of simplicity with sleek, minimalist cabinet designs. Clean lines and seamless surfaces create an uncluttered look, letting your kitchen breathe. Opt for touch-to-open doors and hidden handles for a polished, futuristic aesthetic that's as functional as it is stylish. Dare to be bold with vibrant cabinet colors. Explore hues like navy blue, emerald green, or matte black to make a striking statement. Pair these with contrasting countertops or backsplashes to highlight your cabinets as the centerpiece of modern elegance and innovation in kitchen design. Maximize every inch of your kitchen with smart storage solutions. Incorporate pull-out shelves, rotating trays, and deep drawers to organize efficiently. Cabinets with customized compartments keep your kitchenware tidy, blending functionality with chic design tailored to your unique culinary needs. Experiment with a fusion of materials for a sophisticated flair. Consider glossy lacquer finishes, textured woods, or industrial metals to add depth and interest. These varied textures create a dynamic, tactile experience, enhancing the sensory appeal of your modern kitchen environment. Design sustainably with eco-friendly cabinetry options. Choose cabinets made from recycled materials or sustainably sourced wood. Embrace the allure of bamboo or reclaimed timber to reflect your commitment to the environment while maintaining the integrity of modern design principles. Experience modern kitchen cabinet designs that transform your space into a masterpiece of contemporary style and efficiency. Ready to embark on this design journey? Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow design enthusiasts. Let's create beautiful, functional spaces together.